Hey guys, Tim with Bevan Farm here. Today I want to talk to you about my new hat. It's the Crusher from American Hat Makers. It's lightweight, genuine leather. Smells really good. I love the smell of leather. It's got that Indiana Jones vibe that I really like. It's super comfortable, lightweight. I like that when I do all the things that I do around our property with tractors, messing with the animals, taking animals to petting zoos, doing all this stuff. I can just throw this on my seat or put it in my bag and all that, and look, it just pops right back to the original shape that it had. So it's pretty sweet. A lot of the other hats you have, if you accidentally bend them or something like that, they'll be destroyed forever. And so I like that this thing retains its shape. Really, really lightweight, really comfortable. This is the Crusher in Bomber Brown. And I really like it. I think it's pretty cool. Well, tell me what you guys think. But if you want something that looks really cool, gets the job done, I say that you guys check out American Hat Makers. Made in the USA, made in Texas. So that's something that's big on for me, being from Texas. And I love American-made companies. So anyway, I think you guys should give this a look because these are pretty cool hats. You guys have a good one. I'll talk to you later.